Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix common scroll wheel problems on the Logitech G502 Hero. First, check for dust or debris. The scroll wheel uses a small sensor that can easily get blocked by dirt, hair, or dust. Keep the mouse plugged in, then gently blow compressed air into both sides of the scroll wheel. Rotate the wheel while doing this so the air reaches inside. You can also use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment. Move it carefully around the wheel while turning it. This often fixes skipping or unresponsive scrolling. Next, check the scroll mode. The G502 has a button just behind the wheel that switches between free spin and tactile mode. Free spin lets the wheel move very fast and loose, while tactile mode gives you controlled clicks. Make sure it is set to tactile mode if you want precise scrolling. Sometimes users think the wheel is broken when it is just in the wrong mode. Now open Logitech G Hub on your computer. Look for any available firmware updates for your mouse. Installing updates can fix software-related scrolling problems. While you are in the settings, find the smooth scrolling option and turn it off if the scrolling feels jumpy or uneven. If the middle click is not working at all, the issue may be hardware-related. Inside the mouse, there is a small micro switch under the scroll wheel. Fixing this requires opening the mouse and replacing that switch. This is an advanced step and should only be done if you are comfortable working with small electronics. Thanks for watching.